I am Ravi Shankar Pathak, teacher of SD Public School, Aligarh. Welcome to all in this class. Today I teach you science topic nutrition in plants. Why nutrition is essential? All organisms growth, repair their body, require energy. So nutrition is essential for all organisms. Just like other organisms, plants also require food which can supply energy for their various metabolic activity. Metabolic activity, constructive activity, destructive activity, energy for metabolic activity. Green plants are autotrophic and synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Autotrophic means which organism make their own food, or we say autotrophic means producer, means green plant. Photosynthesis made by two words. Photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to build. So thus photosynthesis means building up light, the process by which green plant make their own food like glucose, carbohydrate from CO2 and H2 by the using sunlight energy in the presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, green pigment found in plants called photosynthesis. This process can be represented as CO2, 6CO2, H2O, 6H2O, light energy, chlorophyll, photosynthesis takes place. Product of photosynthesis, C6H12O6, glucose, a food, plus 6O2, oxygen. CO2 get from air, atmosphere, H2O from soil, and sunlight energy from sun. The process of photosynthesis takes place in green leaves of plant. Always green leaves in plant, not dry leaves. The food produced by green leaves in the form of a simple sugar we call glucose. This glucose is then sent to different parts of plant as root, shoot, stem, fruit, flower, etc. The extra glucose, rest glucose, is changed into other food called starch. Means a store, immediate store. Plant make their food and use rest or rest glucose change into a starch. A starch is stored in the leaves of plant. So a starch is a stored food in plant. What is a starch? The starch is a stored food in plant. In this process, green plant converts sunlight energy into chemical energy sunlight energy change into chemical energy. Photosynthesis, in photosynthesis, sunlight energy convert into chemical energy. Now we teach a step of photosynthesis. So there are 3 steps of photosynthesis. As the steps of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis take place in the following 3 steps. 3 स्टेप में पूरा होता है फोटोसिंथेसिस. फर्स्ट स्टेप, एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ सनलाइट बाय क्लोरोफिल. क्लोरोफिल के द्वारा सनलाइट का एब्जॉर्ब करना फर्स्ट स्टेप. सेकेंड स्टेप, कन्वर्सन ऑफ लाइट एनर्जी इनटू केमिकल एनर्जी and splitting of H2O into H2 and O2 by light energy. Third step, reduction of CO2 by H2O to form C6H12O6 means glucose by utilizing the chemical energy. Third step. Note, 3 steps not take place one after other immediately. They can take place at different times. For example, in desert plant take up CO2 at night and prepare on intermediate product which is act upon by sunlight observed by chlorophyll when the sun shines during next day. So these are 3 steps of photosynthesis. First, absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. Chlorophyll present in green leaves of cells. Sunlight absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. Second step, conversion of light energy into chemical energy and splitting of H2O into H2 and O2 by light energy. Third step, reduction of CO2 and formation of glucose. Reduction of CO2 by H2O to form C6H12O6 means glucose, simple food, by utilizing the chemical. Prepared food utilized and after utilization stored in leaf, that is starch stored food. Now condition for photosynthesis. Condition for photosynthesis. Next, condition necessary for photosynthesis. Now we know condition necessary for photosynthesis. 4 conditions, 4 things. First, sunlight. Second, chlorophyll. Third, carbon dioxide. And fourth, water, H2. Carbon dioxide from air. H2O means water from soil. Two necessary things, CO2 and H2O, is raw material for photosynthesis. Other essential materials for photosynthesis: nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, magnesium. Plant take up these material from soil in the form of organic salt. Organic salt means nitrate, nitrite, or organic compound, inorganic salt or organic compound. All plant take up these material. These material means ये four materials: nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, magnesium from soil in the form of inorganic salt and organic compound, which produced by bacteria. Organic compound produced by bacteria. Now, product of photosynthesis, glucose and water. Site of photosynthesis, chloroplast. Chloroplast found in mesophyll cell in plants. Mesophyll layer in green leaves where chloroplast found. So, nutrition in plant. Topic nutrition in plant complete here. Next day we start next topic. Thanks.